How to log in COD account. So if you want to log in to COD account, then first of all you can open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser, and then go for the search bar and you can search for COD and then go for the first search. And here on the upper right side you will have login option. Simply click on login, and here if you scroll down you can enter your email address on the first blank, and then you have to enter your password on the next blank. And if you need some help with your email address and your password, then you can go for need help, and then you can get some help. And after entering your information, click on I'm not a robot, and then click on verify, and after that click on sign in. And that's it. That's how you log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.